Morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and this morning I am planning to make some muffins. These will be Raisin Bran muffins, and I'm going to get a recipe. I don't actually have the recipe that I'm using in this cookbook, but I have one that I'm going to base my new recipe on. And this is the Freeman Family Cookbook, good old-fashioned American cooking, presented by moi, Diana M. Freeman. Okay, and in this cookbook, there is this recipe, which I'm sure is a wonderful recipe by my mother-in-law, Maxine Freeman, rest her soul. And this is called the poppy seed muffins, but I'm going to base my Raisin Bran muffins on this one. I'm going to improvise. Okay, so I do have the Bisquick mix, and I'm going to need 1 1/2 cups, and I have 1/2 cup sugar, 1 egg, and I will beat that in when I get it to that point. And then I don't have any sour cream, but I found this cultured buttermilk mix. It's a powdered blend, and all I have to do is I can mix it with water, but in this case, I have the skim milk, so I'm going to mix it with that. And the recipe calls for 3/4 cup. So I will mix it in 3/4 cup of skim milk, and that will make buttermilk. And then I don't have any poppy seeds, but I do have raisins, so I'm going to mix up. I've got about 1/2 cup of raisins left in that box over there, and I'm going to mix that in. And I have some new vanilla extract, pure, so it has the vanilla bean in it, and then, of course, the raisins. So this is everything that I'm going to use, and instead of the poppy seeds, I'm going to use about a teaspoon. It says a tablespoon of poppy seeds, but I'll use a teaspoon of cinnamon. And so that's what I'm going to do. And over here, I have my mixing bowl with a wooden spoon. So I'll follow the directions, and I'll show you those in just a moment and let you get a screenshot of that poppy seed recipe. So, and then I'm out of the regular size paper liners, so I'm going to use these mini liners, muffin liners, and this muffin tin for mini muffins. And so that will be a nice little snack. And my granddaughter's coming over later to help me with the quilt we're making for my little baby granddaughter. Well, she's 2. She's not a baby anymore. She's a toddler. And we're working on that. So we'll have a snack for her. And see, these are you can buy these. These are the mini. There were 100 of these in here. And see, I'm out of the regular size. So, okay, let's go back over here and see how we're going to mix this up. Okay, we're going to combine the Bisquick with the sugar and the cinnamon and mix it well. And then we're going to put a well in the center of the mixture. We're going to add the remaining ingredients, stirring until moistened. And then we're going to spoon into the paper liner muffin cups 1/2 full, because they do rise. Okay, and then we're going to bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And this is going to yield, well, more than 1 dozen of those mini muffins. So here, if you want to get a screenshot, let me get you a good picture of it. Okay. Can you do that now? Okay, I'm trying to hold this still. Okay. Did you get that? Okay. And here's a picture of all the ingredients. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye now.